Dementia and the benefits of pets. Pets offer invaluable companionship and emotional support for individuals with Alzheimer's, reducing stress and improving quality of life. They bring joy, alleviate dementia symptoms, and foster interaction, making them ideal companions in both clinical and home settings. Pets can be a powerful source of comfort and companionship for individuals with Alzheimer's disease or other related dementias. Animals do not judge, criticize, or expect anything in return. They are content to provide unconditional love that is beneficial on many levels. Studies have shown pets help reduce stress responses and lower blood pressure, along with providing emotional support through their playful nature. From cats to birds, fish tanks to big floppy dogs. Explore the ways having an adorable companion around could bring joyfulness into your life when dealing with developing Alzheimer's disease. Pets as emotional support animals is becoming popular as we are learning all the positive effects that animal companionship can provide in a clinical setting, especially for those suffering from Alzheimer's disease. By forming an emotional bond and providing comfort during challenging moments, pets can bring immense improvements to life, reducing chronic pain and increasing longevity levels. Pets improve the quality of life, and for someone with Alzheimer's dementia, those qualities make them a good companion. The very presence of a pet can help reduce the behavioral symptoms of dementia, such as anxiety, agitation, irritability, depression, and loneliness. Most pets, by nature, are friendly and non-threatening. This can help a person with Alzheimer's disease be more interactive, when sometimes they are not able to do so in social settings with other adults. Here are some ways pets benefit individuals with Alzheimer's and related dementias. For many people with Alzheimer's disease, a furry friend can bring lifelong companionship and happiness. But it's important to make sure any animals involved are welcomed in the safest way possible. As Alzheimer's disease progresses, you must be aware of how your family member's cognitive decline may affect the interaction. Of course, there are things to consider, such as who will walk the dog, who will feed and groom the pet. Caring for a pet can decrease the progression of the disease. In the early stages, while the thinking skills are still intact, walking and playing with a dog can improve mood and lift the spirits of your loved one with Alzheimer's disease. As the disease progresses, you must consider the person's ability and plan the activities within their mental abilities. Caregivers should remember to consider things like allergies, energy levels of both pet owner and animal. Fall risks increase in the middle to late stages of dementia. Be aware or tripping hazards as your pet and loved one enjoy time together. With all these factors taken into consideration, however, pets could be just what your family member needs for emotional support as the disease process progresses. Pets can lift your mood and give you joy. Pets are a powerful source of comfort and companionship that can help break up the loneliness, fear, and confusion in a person's life. Pets are a great way to establish meaningful connections with Alzheimer's patients. They offer an approachable, calming presence that can help bridge the gap between those who may feel limited in conversation and unable to engage socially due to their condition's progression. Ultimately, this helps lift feelings of loneliness and isolation for such individuals as they seek out companionship. It's important to understand as Alzheimer's disease progresses, the person suffering is experiencing cognitive decline. As brain cells die, it slowly destroys memory. A person with Alzheimer's disease loses their short-term memory first. Later, the long-term memory loss occurs in the middle to later stage Alzheimer's. This is important to know because a person with Alzheimer's related dementias is just living in the present. While we talk about living mindfully, a person with dementia is doing just that. Although every individual experiences the stages of Alzheimer's differently, companionship from our furry friends may provide solace and enjoyment. Having a pet encourages exercise. Having a dog can be an excellent way to stay active, even if you don't have the energy or capacity for more intense exercise. A short walk with your pup is a great form of activity that will provide not only physical benefits, but also emotional ones. Getting outdoors improves your spirit and mental health. Getting 30 minutes a day of moderate activity is recommended as part of a dementia prevention program. The good news is, even 10-minute increments are just as effective. Physical activity is one very important way to slow the progression of the disease. To top it off, Maintaining muscle strength and simply throwing around some toys does the trick. Pets encourage better health and behaviors. Did you know that studies show people that own pets lower the risk of developing heart disease and lowering blood pressure and reduced risk for developing cardiovascular disease? So, owning a pet promotes better health and behaviors. Spending time with loving animals can reduce anxiety and boost happiness. In one study, residents of an Alzheimer's care facility were less agitated when a resident dog was present. Even their eating habits improved. The benefits don't stop there. Research indicates that regularly spending quality time around four-legged friends has the potential to lower blood pressure, slow heart rate, and improve overall well-being. Studies show that having pets has actually had an impact at decreasing negative behavioral symptoms. Pets not only bring joy to their owners' lives, but they can also be of great help in managing the physical and mental burdens that come with Alzheimer's disease and other types of dementia. Studies have shown that animals provide stability for people experiencing dementia by providing a feeling of comfort when faced with strange faces or new memories, without expecting anything beyond simple interaction from them. This is why so many patients benefit from having an animal companion. Pets increase social interactions. Pets increase social interactions for those that have an Alzheimer's disease diagnosis. Pets can provide a unique opportunity for those with Alzheimer's to socialize and build meaningful relationships. They make great conversation starters, bridging the gap between strangers while still providing comfort in an unfamiliar environment. Pets are powerful allies in the fight against loneliness, anxiety, and depression. With their unconditional love, they can bring an instant mood boost, no matter how temporary. A friendly, furry friend is sure to add a dose of joy when it feels like all hope is lost. If you are caring for someone affected by Alzheimer's, it is important to be aware of these potential issues so as best support your loved one through their journey ahead. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Caregiver Relief.